Did you know Africa's most controversial bird might be both saving and slowly killing the animals it lives on? Meet the red-billed oxpecker, nature's most morally confusing helper. These small birds eat thousands of disease-carrying ticks off rhinos, buffalo, and giraffes every single day. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the twist. They also drink their host's blood and keep wounds open longer than they should heal. Even stranger, these birds remember individual animals. They'll search across huge territories to find the same rhino or buffalo they worked with before, like having a personal relationship. Oxpeckers act as bodyguards too, screaming warnings when predators approach. But when they get angry with their host, they've been known to lead those same predators right to them. With razor-sharp bills, one oxpecker can remove 12,000 ticks per day, yet they also create fresh wounds just to access more blood. The result? Some animals desperately seek out these birds for help, while others violently shake them off. It's an ongoing war between helper and host, and nobody's winning.